All right, let's dive in, Emma. Today's episode is all about throwing the ultimate surprise party. It's not just about planning, it's about crafting unforgettable memories. And so first things first, do you have a list of people you'd want to invite?
Um, well, just close friends. Maybe 10 or 12? Not too many, right? Laughs.
Good idea. Keeping it small can really help with less stress. You know how larger groups can be total chaos, right? Like that epic barbecue fiasco when we ran out of burgers and it turned into a hot dog relay? Remember that?
Oh yes, that was absolute madness. So cozy and fun is definitely the goal, right?
Exactly. Now let's talk food. What do you think we should have?
I was thinking tacos, mini burgers, and some falafels. Yum. Sigh. A fiesta on a platter.
Love tacos. They're like a party on a plate. Should we think about drinks too?
Absolutely. Some soda, juices, and a small cake for sure.
Oh, the cake. Any flavor in mind?
Chocolate. Everyone loves chocolate. It's basically the Swiss Army knife of cake flavors.
Right? We could even write something funny on it. How about "Happy birthday, Sarah"? She'll definitely love that.
Ooh, yes, that's perfect. She'll be so surprised. Giggles.
Have you thought about what games or activities we should plan?
Maybe a fun quiz about her favorite things? We could throw in some music to dance to as well.
Sounds great. How about a small gift exchange too? It could keep the vibe exciting.
Yes, I'll ask everyone to bring something thoughtful but not too expensive. Like a cute little token, right?
So, decorations, food, drinks, cake, games, music, gifts. Any other essentials we might be forgetting?
Photos. We definitely need to take lots to capture the joy. Laughs.
I'll bring my camera and tripod. We can even shoot a little video and make it a memory capsule.
Thanks, John. You're the best for that. Like a professional party documenter.
Okay, we need a master plan to keep this surprise under wraps. She is so curious, you know?
Oh, what if we tell her we're going out for lunch and then bring her back for the surprise? Laughs.
That's perfect. She won't see it coming at all. When should we set everything up, do you think?
Maybe a couple of hours before she arrives? Just enough time to make everything look fabulous.
Sounds good. And we could even play her favorite song when she walks in, instant joy moment.
Yes, she'll be so happy. Like pure bliss, right? Laughs.
Are you nervous about keeping it a secret?
Giggles. A little. She asks too many questions, like a detective or something.
Laughs. Don't worry, we'll need to be like secret agents. How about we call it Operation Birthday Surprise?
Laughs. I love it. What if we dressed up like spies? Like in a Mission Impossible kind of way?
That would be hilarious. Small party, close friends, street food, chocolate cake, music, games, photos, lots of surprises. Am I missing anything?
You're just great at planning things with me. How do you do it? You're like a superhero of party planning.
Only because you have the best ideas, Emma. It's teamwork. I can't wait to see her face when she walks in.
That's the best part. Her happiness. It's like that surprise party we had last year, remember?
Oh, that was so funny. She didn't notice anything until the last second. What a shocker.
And oh my gosh, the cake fell. Laughs. That was a wild ride.
Laughs. Don't remind me. But it was still fun, right? Totally. That's what makes surprises so memorable.
Now, let's make a checklist to ensure we don't forget anything.
Brilliant! We are good to go, aren't we?
Yes, this will be the best surprise party ever. I can already feel the excitement.
I hope so. Thanks for being a fantastic co-planner, John.
Anytime, Emma. That's what friends are for, right? It's like a team sport.
I can't wait to see her smile.
Me neither. Even if something goes wrong, it'll still be an epic memory, don't you think? Laughs.
Exactly. Let's wrap everything up this week.
Deal! Operation Birthday Surprise is officially on. I'm so pumped.
Can't wait for next weekend. It's going to be legendary.
Thanks, John. You're the best co-planner ever. It's going to be one for the books.
And you're the best bossy planner ever. Laughs.
Laughs. Deal. See you this week for the setup.
Can't wait. Bye for now.
Bye. Let the countdown begin.